Abakakiiko akakura k'ekitongole kya National Drug Authority bebembirwe chairman wabo Dr. Medard Bitekerezo batandikaho enkoragana n'obukama bwa Tooro n'ekigendererwa ky'okwenda kukuuma ebishaka n'emiti eby'obuhangwa ebiri omu bukamo babase kutungura n'okwongera omutindo aha mibazi y'ebishaka.
You see somebody just advertising things which they don't do, and colleagues, we are seeing so many men collapsing in Mlago, but they are not when they are dead, and what is killing them? Consumption of herbal drugs, contaminated conventional drugs in excessive quantities, and ending up with sudden heart attacks and cardiac arrests.
Dr. Bitekerezo najyangu barikwetebekanisa kutaho umukono ahandagano yo koragana NDA n'obukama bwa Tooro nk'ekitongole bayiraganisa kubahwera omuri mbera kubasa kutunga omubazi ogutarukwa kabahamagaraga abantu.
You know the Kenyans say opende or spend oyange ningo ichirize abantu akabazike cyaro nibazakari kora azaro kagamba ujugu abantu ko barazo makagaba nibazakarira iki so twikirize turakora nteka ko bajoyininga tubegeze how we can make this at least now baka packaging koronji batema kadozi kache umenya ati unyaka chiko kamenyanga tubiri hata rikwati ukatendo otolo kobaruko because these drugs are working and we know.
Steven Chinjatenyi mushikiro w'obukama bwa Tooro mu kugamba kwe yasima NDA abo kurugayo kwatanisa n'obukama bwa Tooro okukora omubazi murungi kandi nabo betekatekire kukoragana nabo ahubwo kuba ekini kiza kuyambe cyanga kya Tooro.
All I can say for sure is that Tooro Kingdom is ready to partner, not just with NDA, but to partner with central government so that we make all the resources that have come our way to be impactful, to change the lives of our people.
You raise someone like Enkoresa, this from Bunyangabo, he will tell you who's the last person in that very village in a sub-county. So our structure is operation, but has been lacking some support. And these people say drugs, they are from, even Malala, they are from Kabale, they are from Uganda, they come this way because they are drugs within our forests.
So, Dr. Bitekerezo, I would prefer you to hold a meeting which would be conversant, more especially to our Prime Minister. We harmonize and have some inductions to a local level, right from the Mayumba Kumi, which would enlarge the sensitivity or the knowledge for the herbalists and the National Drug Authority.
NDA nabwanyuma yahereza yemeza zo mu office y'obukama ziri kubarwa $10,000,000 hamwe n'emiti 10 yo kubyara gashakwa na Good Fatuma.